look for words. And now my lips, they gon' kiss you. I'll tell you I'm falling for you. You smile and you tell me I'm all that you need in your life. And all you hear from me is the sound of my truth. You know just what it means and what you get. Try to complete that life for me. When my mind will let my heart speak. Can I call you Mr. Love? My Mr. Love, the perfect one. Can I call you Mr. Love? My Mr. Love, the perfect one. So can I call you Mr. Love? My Mr. Love, the perfect one. Can I call you Mr. Love? My Mr. Love. Can I call you Mr. Love? Can I call you Mr. Love? Alright, we're gonna perform our single for you guys. Oh. Okay, so yeah, we wrote a song together.
We wrote a song together. We did. We wrote a song together, and I want you all to do me a favor. When we released this song, we wanted to become one of the top-selling songs in the world. And when it comes out, I want you to remember you saw it here first, because this is a debut.
It is.
Nobody's really seen this yet.
No.
So you guys are fortunate enough to get it for the first time. Now listen. You know, every once in a while, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the song. It's called Bump That Noise. That's right. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, because the way I came up with the concept, you know, a lot of times you have a good relationship, right? The relationship is going great, your boyfriend, girlfriend, everybody's doing good, and all of a sudden, somebody just gets in your ear and start talking about something negative, right? You just want to say, forget that mess. Bump that noise. I ain't trying to hear it. So on the count of 3, I want y'all to say, bump that noise. 1, 2, 3.
Bump that noise!
So Pecut, come on. Hey, come on. Chuck Anthony, bump that noise, kick that crazy beat, baby. Tanya, bump that noise, come on.
We had all good things that dreams were supposed to be made of. Living a life of love and God.
That's right.
Now wait on and we gon' change all those good times.
Let it out now.
Well, you'd be surprised to see how fast it takes away.
Oh, baby, bump that noise and keep it right.
I'm feeling for you, baby. I'm feeling for your love.
Oh, baby, bump that noise and love me right.
I'm feeling for you, baby. I'm feeling for your love.
Bump that noise,
Stay true to a good thing.
bump that noise.
And maybe that's better.
'Cause once you lost that special love, you lost a good thing. So bump that noise.
You might never get it back.
This and that and all that fight makes up a good
Let me
thing.
know now, babe.
Leaving our world in a big old crazy mess.
Let me know now, boy.
Now the love we had truly let it slip
Let me
away.
know now, babe.
They all come in and destroy our happiness. Yeah. Oh, baby, bump that noise and keep it right.
I'm feeling for you, baby. good thing, that's a fact. Do a good thing, keep it tight. Don't be right, can't get it back. You got to bump that noise. Do a good thing, that's a fact. Do a good thing, keep it tight. Don't be right, can't get it back. You got to bump that noise. Bump that noise. Be true. Bump that noise. And baby, that's a fact. She loves that special love. Loves the good thing. So bump that noise. Bump that noise. Be true. Bump that noise. And baby, that's a fact.
Come on, come on.
Cause I'm telling you,
You should know. What's the good thing?
so bump that noise. You might never get it back.
How about it for Tanya? Fuck Anthony right there. Yeah.
Thank you.
And DJ Pecut, my man. All right. I'm gonna do a song.